Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see opened snaps again on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in as well. Now tap on this chat icon given, and now if you're gonna go ahead, tap on the snap that you have gotten. You're gonna again tap on it, and let's say you again wanna see it, right? You do have the option of simply replaying by simply holding on to it, or you can simply save it as well so you can see it again. But if in case you haven't done that option, you're gonna go back and tap on the Bitmoji icon on top left, tap on the square icon on top right, scroll and simply tap on this option of my data in the privacy control. So right over here you can again enter your username or email address of your Snapchat account. Tap on next. Here is you basically gonna request a data of your Snapchat in this section, and then once you have got the data file of yours, you're gonna be able to check out all of the snaps that you have received and sent, and you can check them out again. So this is the option, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.